then 5 times, then 7 times, and it doesn't even have to be together. Ready? Go. This is my cutoff, it means stop. Here, I have Mississippi rest, Mississippi rest. Ready? Go. Excellent. Here, P in music. Raise your hand. What does it mean? Did you see a P in your music?
Piano.
Piano, which means
Quiet.
so you're going to go from quiet to
Loud.
4 things loud. Let's hear it. Ready? When I point here to the happy face, you're going to make a sound that brings you joy, sadness, and joy. When I point to this, the sound will go up, the sound will go down, the sound will go up. When I point to this, maybe a spring day, a rainbow, and a spiral. This should get interesting. Remember, they're small percussion instruments, play them gently, and I'm going to keep moving. If I stay on one, that means you repeat it over and over again. Are you ready? Good luck, my friends. T-T-top, T-T-rest.